See, one of the things that I'm afraid of, one of the things I was always quitting. In my business, it's kind of not a good thing.
Mm-hmm. Every business, I think. Yours is just more clear.
Yeah, it hurts more. And
True. In the moment, at least.
Yeah, in the moment. You're right, 100%, because some things hurt for a long time afterwards. And something like regret. Regret is the worst thing in the world because it's a solitary sentence. And man, oh man.
That's a powerful phrase. Regret is a solitary sentence.
So,
oh boy.
You're
full of good lines.
It wasn't easy to accumulate them.
Yeah.
It was a little bit hurtful. But so submit less, because we submit every day. And if we can get to a place where we submit or compromise ourselves less, we'll get to a better place. Again, one of the words for me that attaches to things that wind up hurting you in life and have hurt me in life, one of those boogeymen words is the word of convenience. That's attached to everything. People disappoint you not because they want to disappoint you or let you down or betray you because they want to betray you. They do it because it's more convenient to do than the other thing.